Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Pisces, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, Pisces. We are picking few cards. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming right after this general energy, Pisces. So we have Chariot, Eight of Pentacles and King of Cups in reverse. Eight of Pentacles in reverse, guys. So in your situation today, guys, Pisces, it may be in your career or it may be in your personal life. Maybe in your situation there are people competing with you in every possible way. You have many people considering you as their rival, so they are working against you, so they may not tell you the truth about anything. You need to be really careful, guys, Pisces. So it may be one person or it may be many people. They are simply jealous of you about your skills and talents, and they are here to create obstacles for you in your career or in your personal life. Maybe with this person you would have heard some rumors about them, or they would have heard something about you, or they are talking behind you. So they are talking about you to someone, maybe something bad. They are gossiping or spreading rumors. So maybe for some of you, this person you love, they are not to be trusted, guys. So they are not reliable, maybe for some of you. And for some of you, maybe they are talking this way, they are being this way with you because they are angry, guys, with you for some reason. We don't know what is the reason. So something is making them jealous. Maybe people being jealous of you in your career, maybe the way you are, maybe your skills or talents, or maybe the charm you are whatever charm you are having. Maybe you are a charismatic person, so they are simply jealous of you, guys, this person you love. So they are working against you, maybe for some of you. So, or maybe they see you as a very attractive person. Many people are attracted to you. That again may be the reason for that jealousy they have towards you. But they have that true love, but they don't know how to take your fame, your charismatic appearance, or how to be with you. They may have that low self-esteem when they are with you. So they see you as someone who is very charming, many people attracted to you, very skilled and talented, and it is really difficult for them to handle your success, guys, Pisces. So that is what I see with these cards. But I also see that this difficult situation is going to pass. Maybe they will understand that you love only them and you have love only for them. So they may come to an understanding, guys. So the obstacles you are facing today, you may triumph over those obstacles, Pisces. That is what I see with these cards, guys, Pisces. That is the reading. If you want more clarity, watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Pisces. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. this is your first deck and this is your second deck. So whichever pile comes to you first, you can close your eyes, think about your situation, or just be quiet for some time, and then open your eyes and choose the pile that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card after a few seconds. Okay guys, so let's start with the first set of cards here. So we have Ace of Suns in reverse, Two of Moons, and Lady of Suns in reverse. So with these cards in your situation today, guys, maybe today in this connection you have this may be your energy or this person's energy, so that love and compassion is there in this connection, kindness is there in this connection, but you cannot trust them totally because maybe for some of you they have their own ideas. Something is there in their mind. Maybe they are here in this connection because they have few things to say to you, or maybe their past has somehow making them really stressed, and they are here in this connection because they have left few things unsaid to that person, and maybe with this person they are kind to you sometimes, but suddenly they are bursting out harshly. So it may be because of their past, something is clouding their mind. That may be the reason they are behaving in such a way, guys. So with this person you may have that you may feel they're kind sometimes, but sometimes they are not. So you cannot have that total trust on this person, guys. But I also see that this card here, it is a very positive card. So maybe their behavior, maybe they have some preconceived notions about this relationship. That may be the reason they are behaving in such a way. But in this connection there is a possibility for marriage and a positive relationship. So if you are patient enough, you can wait till things sort out on its own, guys. So any problems that you're having today in this connection, all that is going to be reducing, guys, for you. That is what I see with these cards, guys, for those who have chosen this card, the first deck. That is the reading. So for those who have chosen the second deck, let's see what are the cards. So we have 10 of Water, Magician, and Hermit. So in this love, in this connection, you very well know in your heart of hearts not only your love or whatever intentions you have towards this person, that is not enough. You need some kind of intuition or inspiration, some kind of guidance, but that is there in your connection today, guys. So something is pushing you towards some choices today in your situation. So something you are thinking about something, maybe some important decisions need to be made today. So that is essential for your growth in this connection, guys. And Maybe for some of you, you are changing the way you perceive this love, perceive this connection. Your perception is different. Maybe you understand what this person is feeling right now. You may have a clear understanding, a clear perception today, guys. So, you have that acceptance in your heart today. Maybe certain things may not go right, certain things may go well in this connection, but whatever it is, you have that acceptance in your heart. That may be the reason that you are happy as you are in this love, in this connection, guys. So things may not be going as expected, but I see peace of mind and happiness because you have that unconditional love towards this person, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.